The overhead sectional door has long been a workhorse of industry for keeping people and goods moving. In fact, its design has changed little in more than 60 years. These doors typically use steel wires for lifting and are balanced with springs, which can result in high wear and tear, costly repairs, and even unplanned downtime. After 60 years, it's time to open new doors. Introducing the ASSA ABLOY OH1142P dual drive, a revolution in overhead sectional doors to open up a new era of opportunities for your business. Designed for docking applications, the ASSA ABLOY OH1142P runs on our innovative new dual drive technology, with state-of-the-art dual drive motors that eliminate the need for any springs, wires, or balancing systems. These dual drive motors are integrated into the door, while chains are fixed in each track set to form a completely new lifting mechanism. Meaning the dual drive simply runs faster, smoother, and more reliably than standard overhead sectional doors. Helping you optimize your operations, reduce your costs, and improve your working conditions. And as part of our complete solution offering, the dual drive comes with our digital entrance management platform, ASSA ABLOY Insight, giving you the power to proact, predict, and prevent with data-driven insights that save you time and money, while backed by flexible lifetime services you can depend on, ensuring you're always in control of your doors, processes, and costs. With easier installation, safer performance, reduced space demands, faster running speeds, improved uptime, lower total cost of ownership, and more, the ASSA ABLOY OH1142P dual drive is ready to open up the future of your operations, making them more efficient and reliable than ever.